I'm Monica from Subhash Chandra Bose team, and I'm going to support people, and also I'm going to do debate on are only the politicians is mischievous of the country.
Good morning to everyone present here. Today we are going to debate on topic that our politicians are mighty for the country. We are going for the statement.
Politicians are doing fake promises before the elections, and poor people are believing their promises, and they are electing politicians.
People are just they are believing the politicians that they are giving promises to doing this and that, and they trust on they are trusted on them, and they are voting to the politicians, and they are becoming the leaders, and they are misusing their powers.
What is your topic?
Only the politician is the mystery of the country.
Mystery.
Mysterious of the country.
Or only the politicians are mysterious of the country. You are for or against?
We are for people and they are for politics.
You are against politics. But you want to be politician. Very good.
They are doing fake promises, but why people are believing them blindly, and they are electing. They are having 5% hope that they'll do this, and they at least 5% they'll make their promises true. That's why they are voting.
The politicians are some politicians are making their oaths true, so they are trusting the people, and they are voting to the politicians.
99% politicians are fake. They are not making their promises true. People are blindly believing them. People are editing. They are showing some. They're showing some. If we, for
Where is
example,
the source? Where is the reference? How can you say that 99% politicians are fake? Prove it.
I'm giving an example.
When you are keeping your point of view, keep your source also. So this is the example.
As you know that India is a democratic country, and everyone has a chance to
Keep the mind closer to your mouth.
That's not working.
It's not working, huh? Then make your voice audible.
as you know that India is a democratic country. As you know that India is a democratic country in which people have a full right to elect their own leadership, president parties, and so they are believing all the politicians. They will do what the votes they give to the people.
It's my topic is to support people.
Right?
Actually, I have to support politics. Actually, in this situation, I will take an example. In developing CRDA, Capital Region Development Area, in that our politicians implemented in developing the capital city. They are telling the people and trying to convincing them that there are so many benefits in developing this capital city, as it will be a capital city, and around the surroundings there will be a lot of industries, etc., etc. It is totally a benefit to the people, and it is not the matter that politician was going against the bill.
But the people are thinking about their own sake, but politicians are saying,
Can you justify that politician is doing false in developing a capital city in Vijayawada surroundings?
Why don't we justify? We had an example of Jagan Mohan Reddy. He did many scams. He is having so much of money. He is owning crores of lakhs of money, right? He is not even doing something. He during the Hudhud time in coastal areas, he gave only 50,000 rupees. Normal people get 2 lakh rupees of money to help poor people, right? Even students are helping them. But Jagan Mohan Reddy is having crores of money with him, but he gave only 50,000 rupees. Why don't he?
Okay.
So politicians
Very
are
power question. What's your dream? To become a politician.
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
How can you be politician if you oppose the politician? how can you be a politician if you are if you are against the
How can you justify that I would be a fake politician? Why don't you see in positive way? I can help them. I'm going to help them. That's why I want to be a politician. By seeing the corrupted politicians, I kept my aim as a politician to do best to do best to the people.
government has introduced many nice plans and politicians have also introduced many schemes, policies, etc.
Are there
They are giving the rice only for 2 rupees, etc., etc., etc.
Silence, please.
Developing the city, going to other nations and talking to the people. For example, Chandrababu Naidu went China before me, and he talked to many industries persons and he tried to convince them and trying to implement industry in Vijayawada. He is putting a lot of efforts for the development of the people, So how can you justify that they are doing a wrong policy?
How can, you are asking that you only told that Chandrababu Naidu told that we have to keep our Andhra as Singapore, right? Why you're thinking as aim to do our Andhra as Singapore? That means Singapore is a big city and Singapore have many resources. Why don't we think that our Andhra should be many another country people or another state people should take our Andhra Pradesh as their goal. They have to take Andhra Pradesh as goal. They have to keep their city as Andhra Pradesh. How don't you think like that? You're saying that always Singapore, China. Why are
No questions. No questions. How do you? Why are you? What are you? No questions.
See, Monica, Chandrababu Naidu sir went to China. He talked with the industries person and he convinced them, and he is going to keep trying.
Speak, man.
He's trying to convince them and implement an industry in Visakhapatnam. Do you think that Chandrababu Naidu sir is doing a false thing? He's went to China.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Today the whole world is turmoil, turbulent, and the whole world has become the butt of unsung roses. It's because of the politicians of.
Can you justify with please examples?
That's what. Coming. Education system has been mismaterialized because of the political plans that they have had.
Okay.
The best example is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana state separation. It is for the interest or vested interest for the politicians. The whole world has become fragments into narrow domestic ones. It's because the politicians could not understand the political validity rather than political disability or political strategy. Politicians are held responsible for making all the husk on the ground. Politics is noble. Politics is for service. Politics is for making people work out on the earth.
Okay, I will support my statement, sir. For poor people who is helping, whether I or she or nobody was helping, nobody was taking care. It is because of the politicians who is convincing the government and making the things to be granted, etc., and implementing the schemes like that. For 2 rupees,
all politicians are going to everyone's
for 2 rupees kilo PM, etc. Many schemes are implementing by the politicians, and
It is
for
not
the benefit of the people.
It is not the politician's role to play for having social welfare scheme. Politics itself has given a domain for anybody to work. It's not the role of politician there to be prized. As it is there, for example, if not me here, somebody else will act as a teacher. The teacher's role is created here. Teacher is not a big element here. Education, education itself has created a charming position for a teacher. It is needed for a teacher to understand his role is to play in order to develop education among the brains of students. Similarly, when you take this one to politics, politicians are not doing so. Politics is noble. Politics is itself an example for bringing all societal concern to the society through social welfare schemes. As you have said, 2 rupees kilo of rice is not the power of politicians, it is the right of common man. It's because
The common man cannot go to the parliament, he cannot ask the government to implement the 2 rupees kilogram. Its politician must speak in the Lok Sabha or he must pass in the Rajya Sabha and it must be implemented. That is
what I am saying. Is it happening properly?
happening, sir. We are seeing.
No way.
For
No way. If that is happened properly, the best example, Telangana state could not have been separated from Andhra Pradesh well. Without having any remarkable presentation. It is because of your politicians today, half of Andhra Pradesh. Erstwhile Andhra Pradesh was rich. Present Andhra Pradesh, we are all poor today because of the politicians' mindless decisions. The politicians are not at all powerful than the politics. It's because of the politicians' attitude, many could not understand the politics as noble thing. Politics is made today the worst and element. Youngsters like you all are not in a position to take up politics. Maybe to an extent, this girl and that boy, they get ready to jump into politics, but because of the attitude of you like politicians, politics is mismanaged. So, definitely for this mismanagement, politicians are the root causes.
No.
They have to change.
No. Yeah, politicians are the main people who are doing the best to the people. I support that. For example,
Natural. Being a father of a family, his responsibility is to safeguard the family. Being a teacher of a class, his responsibility is to look after the class.
So
It doesn't mean that the teacher is better than looking after the class. It's not father's capacity as a God's capacity.
politician is not there, there is no Lok Sabha. Politician is not there, there is no Rajya Sabha. Politician is not there, there is no parliament, and therefore politician is not there, people are not there, and no schemes are there, and poor people will totally degrade.
Today the political democratic system has come into life. Earlier we have different isms, plutocracy, oligarchy,
How can a common people
hagiocracy.
for
Even priests have run the society.
I got an idea. My
At that point of time,
for suppose
priests were noble, carried out nobility. So the politicians themselves are the example for ruin of the politics.
scholarships was implemented by Rajshekar Reddy for example, my co-friend acts as
I do agree.
he's studying in the college because of the scholarship.
I do agree with you. I do agree.
Rajshekar Reddy is a politician
Yes,
and he is
it's
the-
not because of one leader that has done wonderful job.
It is not
Would
because
bring-
of the
that's
one
what-
leader.
Would not bring a sea change. Would not bring a sea change.
It is
You is- No, your Rajshekar Reddy. Your Rajshekar Reddy was murdered. Your Rajshekar Reddy was murdered because of the hasty decisions that he has taken. You cannot say Mr. Reddy was a noble picture on the earth in order to carry out the politics.
I support Mr.
Similarly, there are 99 out of 100 foolish politicians who have brought politics image into ruined shape. For example, you forget about the names of Indians and our contemporaries. We will get back to the home. We'll get back to the days that the politics has come with a greater picture. You take Abraham Lincoln, the first president of America. Even he himself has got the same image It is because of the people who run the politics made politics image completely ruined and completely mismanaged. It's because of their hastiness, it's because of their hollowness, it's because of their senselessness sometimes. Maybe it is quite rude. I must not mention that for our rulers or for our leaders, but it is because of their unknowing leadership, their unknowing ego, their unknowing timidity. I mean, for example, the best example is Sonia Gandhi's timidity made half part of South Andhra Pradesh, half part of South India was under turbulence. It's because the decision that she has passed for her personal interest made the whole part of South India was unstable today. Karnataka started with its movement. Tamil Nadu started its movement. Tamil Nadu is known for the best states on the South India part. It is because this, as an example, they get ready for our little towns to have a separation. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
this is one
Please
example.
give me a chance to me talk.
You can say.
Sonia Gandhi has passed a wrong judgment. I think in my view she has did a wrong thing. So we elected the nice persons, nice politicians. She did not came into the role. The another time she did not fail.
You
The
have
nice leader
come to
has
the
come.
right point.
Therefore,
At any discussion, when we have to start, definitely we have to find fault with us only. As you have said, nice politicians are elected, politics would be great. That is what we were also saying. Politicians are not nice, politicians are not effective, politicians are not discharging their duties properly, politics has
If
not.
politicians are not discharging their duties, there is no scholarship, there is no etc. schemes and
If father
etc.,
doesn't work, you cannot say the family doesn't work. Okay, if the scholarship doesn't come, we have all studied without scholarship only.
Somebody
By
can
then,
study.
that's what. By
Somebody
then,
can't study, sir. Somebody can't study and
while we were studying, that's what I am saying. While we were studying,
Because of the politician we are studying and
irrespective of reservations, irrespective of scholarships, irrespective of your methodology that you have adopted through your politics, we all have come up.
right.
The society
Therefore,
was
sir, I
intact.
agreed that
The society was intact. But today the society was not like that. It is under damaged. On surface everything is looking very good. Internally it is having its own rot. It's like a cancerous growth to a human body. Today's the politicians' unmindful decisions made the body of politics going slowly sink into the butt. It happened in the case of who? Go back to the days of Akbar, Humayun, Babur. What is this known as? Empire. Okay? Empire of Badshahs, you will take. That system has abolished. You also have hagiocracy. Priests who have developed society. That system has been rubbishly erased. And there is, my friend, shortly we can experience, or our children can experience, politics can also be abolished from the society. It's because the people of the politics make nonsense. So we say politicians are no way the right people to carry out politics.
if politics, in my view,
మాట్లాడాలా చూస్తాను నేను మీ వైపు వస్తాను ఇప్పుడు హూ కమ్స్ హియర్
I come support. Okay, sir.
He is only interested in debate with you,
Next
sir.
politics.
దట్ గై
Next politics.
you can speak.
Here today in Andhra Pradesh, due to the politics.
See, all the boys of ECA, this is? Please stand up, all the boys, please stand up. I have heard, it's a comment, I have heard that you are not appropriate, perfect, mannered. I have seen this guy, is example for that. Okay, like this. Many a times I guided him. Okay, still if he takes, these are very odd emotional representations. Your language must be weighed, must be gauged. Okay, I've heard